Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to use the Shopify self-serve return customers. Let's get started. In order to do that, head over in here on your settings. And under your settings, you should be able to see in here customer accounts. Click on customer accounts, and from in there, you can see the self-serve return. As you can see, it's been turned off, so click on this turn on right here. And as you can see, we have now turned it on. So this can help request returns by adding the new customer accounts URL to your return rebrand and policy on a footer. So you can also write in here the return rules. So when you click on this right here, will be the redirected to the return rules that you have right here. So as you can see, return rules is off. So what you can do is you can actually head over and turn it on. So once you have turned it on, you can manage your return policy that you have. Click on manage right here. And then from in there, you can just choose return window. For me, I'll just choose 14 days, and the return shipping cost can be free shipping, customer provides return shipping, or flat rate. So for me, I'll just choose this customer provides return shipping, and in this, it can be on the specific collection or specific products you have. So this will be the return rule summary. There's no restocking fee as well, no final sales item, and after that, click on save right here. And then once you have saved this, let's head back. And then from in there, what we can do is we can scroll down and we can see this return, return, and refund policy. So click on create from template. And in here, you can see the template that we have. And as you can see, they still have the 30-day refund policy. So what you can do is you can just edit it out in order to suit your needs. You can put in your return address and all these things right here. Also put in here privacy template, terms of service, shipping policy, and all of that right here. After you're done that, click on save right here and we should be good to go. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, then leave a like below and subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.